everyone, and welcome back to Floor Land. Today, we're delving into the world of blackout curtains. Whether you're a light sleeper, a night shift worker, or just someone who values privacy and energy efficiency, blackout curtains could be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about blackout curtains, from their types and features to their aesthetic appeal and benefits. So, let's get started. Types of blackout curtains. There are a few main types to choose from, including traditional blackout curtains, which are made from heavy fabric and provide maximum light blockage. Then there are thermal blackout curtains, which not only block light but also help insulate your home, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. You'll also find blackout curtain liners, which can be added to existing curtains for an extra layer of light blockage. Features of blackout curtains. First and foremost, light blocking. Blackout curtains effectively block out sunlight, streetlights, and other external sources of light, creating a dark and peaceful environment conducive to restful sleep or movie marathons. Additionally, blackout curtains can help reduce outside noise, insulate against heat and cold, and protect furniture and flooring from sun damage. Aesthetic appeal. Blackout curtains come in a wide range of colors, patterns, and textures to suit any decor style. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or something more traditional and elegant, you'll find blackout curtains to match your aesthetic preferences. Plus, their luxurious appearance adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Benefits of blackout curtains. Firstly, improved sleep quality. By blocking out light and reducing noise, blackout curtains create a more conducive sleep environment, helping you get a better night's rest. They also provide privacy, energy efficiency, and protection against UV rays, which can fade furniture and flooring over time. And there you have it, everything you need to know about blackout curtains. They're stylish, functional, and can significantly enhance your quality of life. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide on Floor Land. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time.